This is Tundra. Tundra is a 10-year-old spayed domestic shorthair. Tundra was brought to the Humane Society because her previous family couldn't have pets where they were living. She is litter box trained, good with cats, and good with kids. If you want to meet Tundra, come down to Kitty City. This is Leo. Leo is a 2-year-old neutered domestic longhair. Leo was brought to the Humane Society because his previous family could not care for him anymore. He is litter box trained, good with cats, dogs, and would do best in a home with older kids. If you want to meet Leo, come down to Kitty City. This is Misty. Misty is a 7-year-old spayed Siamese mix. Misty was brought to the Humane Society because someone in her previous home became allergic to her. She is litter box trained, good with cats, and would do best in a home that is dog free. If you want to meet Misty, come down to Kitty City. This is Pia. Pia is a 3-year-old spayed cream tabby. Pia was brought to the Humane Society because her previous family did not have enough time to care for her. She is litter box trained, good with cats, and would do best in a home with older kids. If you want to meet Pia, come down to Kitty City.